Hello everybody, and welcome to a brand new DeversiFi tutorial. Today, I'm going to explain what is impermanent loss and how does that really work out when you are providing liquidity to a pool such as a Uniswap pool, and just kind of explaining very briefly how do you really lose your money with impermanent loss. Hopefully this is a really short explanation. I put together a small cheesy little presentation for you with PowerPoint. It's very short, only about 4 slides, and hopefully it can really put together how does it really work out. All right, so what is impermanent loss? It's basically when you start to lose your money because you are either selling or buying a coin inside of your pool that is either going up or down in an unfavorable way that is not to your liking, you know. So let's just kind of explain how does this work out by not really using any crypto related assets, because I feel like when we throw in crypto related assets, because of their pricing and how you can price them against Ethereum or price them against Bitcoin, it can get very confusing very fast. So to keep things simple, we are not going to use crypto assets and crypto prices for the sake of this explanation. So we're just going to use my favorite, some fruits, apples and oranges. So in this example, let's say you are providing Uniswap with a pair of Apple coin and orange coin as your pair. You are the vendor when you're doing this, and if somebody wants to swap with you, you have to do it. So if you are providing Apple and orange pair as your pair here, if someone wants to give you extra oranges, you have to take those oranges and give them apples. And if someone wants to give you apples, you'll have to take those apples and give them the oranges. That's kind of how the swapping works. You're just, you're swapping one asset for another asset. So in this example, you have $10 worth of assets. You have $5 worth of apple and $5 worth of orange. So in this picture, you have, we got our picture here at the top. You can see all of our delicious fruits, and one day we have a guy coming to do a swap at the swapper here, or the little vendor stall, and he's got 4 apples. So in this case, he's going to swap you your oranges. He wants to get those oranges off your hands here. Okay, so this is great. You swap all of your apples for you swap all of your oranges and give them to the user, and he gives you all of the extra apples, and everything's fine. As you can see here, you still have your $10 worth of assets. You just have a bunch of apples. You're low on the orange side, as you can see in the picture. So this is totally fine and everything, but what happens if one day all of a sudden the price of the apples crashed and you were left holding all of those apples? So now you have all these 9 apples, and they crash from maybe, let's say, $1 all the way down to a quarter. Well, now you would have gone from having $10 worth of fruits now to only $3.25. So now you've lost $6.75 total here. So that is known as having an impermanent loss of $6.75. So what you can do here is you can either wait for the price of Apple to go from 25 cents all the way back up to $1, and you will balance back out. That's why it's impermanent, because it's not a permanent loss. But if you were to cash out, then you would make that a permanent loss. So you can either stay in the pool and wait it out, or you can cut your loss right there and lose it. That is the end of the slide there, guys. I told you it was very short. Hopefully you enjoyed that and you learned something new. Drop a like or a comment down below and give us a subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.